California have reached a 70-year high. KCRA 3's Kathy Park takes a closer look at the spike and what you can do to protect your family from this deadly disease.
At the beginning, you really can't differentiate it from a cold. Runny nose, cough.
But here's how you can tell if you've come down with whooping cough or pertussis.
You're feeling fine, and then all of a sudden you get a spasm of coughing. And the spasm is cough, 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 and then it stops. And then you feel okay for a while until the next spasm hits.
And doctors say typically the symptoms get worse. It's a deadly contagious disease that has the attention of health officials. From January 1st through November 26th, nearly 10,000 cases were reported in California, the highest in 70 years.
Pertussis is cyclical, meaning it waxes and wanes in incidence over a period of every 3 to 5 years.
So we were sort of expecting that 2014 was going to be a bad year, and it's even worse than we expected this year.
The last epidemic happened in 2010, which encouraged a push for vaccinations among younger children and pregnant women.
Since it's the youngest children who are most vulnerable to pertussis, it's also recommended to get vaccinated during every pregnancy.
I keep up with all the shots for her.
This mom says she knows the risks of whooping cough and wasn't going to take any chances.
All the illnesses scare me, but whooping cough, it's just not something I want to deal with.
Health experts say the disease peaks during the late summer through fall, so right now during the winter months they expect to see fewer cases. But doctors say it's not too late even now for adults to protect themselves, especially those around infants.
I just went for a regular checkup and she told me that I needed to get one, so I just got one.
If diagnosed for whooping cough, treatment calls for antibiotics. In Sacramento, Kathy Park, KCRA 3 News.